The Coast Link in Amsterdam, it was a fantastic event.
One of the most important things to come out of CoastLink has been the key role of public-private partnerships for the development of green corridors. As ports, we have to develop our role as a hub for freight transport and for the production and distribution of renewable energies. By doing so, we will achieve a more sustainable logistics chain. At CoastLink Bilbao, we'll be looking to further explore and address the common challenges facing ports and shore shipping, challenges such as the promotion of renewable energy and green fuels, the electrification of docks, the further development of digitalization for greater efficiency in ports, improving accessibility and promoting rail-port intermodality. In Bilbao, we will contribute our experience as experts in source shipping, which we promote as an environmental benchmark. Our vision is to be a green corridor and, with the projects we have, to become a hub for the production of renewable energies.
The Coast Link in Bilbao, it's going to be a fantastic event. We've got a nice port, a nice city. We can discuss about our challenges, the decarbonization, logistics, future, the digitalization of the processes. So please come to Bilbao.